Hello everyone, so today's video is all about a Lidl haul. I went to Lidl some time back and got a few great deals. I went for grocery shopping in the morning time and grabbed quite a few good deals which I will be sharing with you. So the first one is this sweet corn chicken sandwich which I got in just 70p, and this is really tasty and healthy. Next is this chicken breast slices, again in 70p. So in the morning when we go, sometimes we will get some good deals like that. This one is a pie, gravy pie, which we'll have to cook it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes and then it will be ready to eat. Yummy, healthy, and a great one at 70p again. So these are few things which we get sometimes, and these are really good and great offers. This is the smoked ham sandwich, again at the same price, which is 70p. So basically these are good choices, but we have to use it on the same day. So this is a multi-seed flatbread which you can enjoy just like that, or with some dip, or enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee. So next is this churros which I have bought. This is basically the churro dough pastries, worth £1.99, and we have to deep fry them and we can enjoy that with some chocolate sauce. So in my next video I will be showing you how I cooked them, how it turned out. So definitely keep a watch on how these turned out really. I will be showing you in the next one in a cooking video on how it really came out, and I will be using some chocolate sauce as a dip. This is basically a normal cream cracker biscuit, worth 59p, and just for some tea or coffee time. Now the next one is shrimp pancakes. This is again a great choice. This is again of 350 gram and the price was £1.99, and a great option. You just have to shallow fry it. This one also I will be showing you in the next video how it came out. I will be showing you the end result, how it really turned out. It looks interesting and good, and we can just take it out from the freezer and cook it directly, shallow fry it. So keep watching, I will be showing you this one as well. Now this is another good deal I got, spicy chicken pasta, and this is in tomato gravy. So this is also a deal price which I got. So only thing is we have to use all these deal price things in the same day. So we need to finish this up in the same day. This is another sandwich which I have got, a chicken sandwich with some pork, sage and onion stuffing, and I got 3 to 4 sandwiches. All are of different variety and great choices. Other than that, as I showed you, I have got the other things as well. So definitely keep a watch on the next one where I will be showing you cooking of the stuff that I have got. I will be showing you how it turned out, and this was indeed a great deal. So keep watching for more. Thank you.